Thanks for taking the time to visit my website. I'm Dr. Hmadyoon, and I want you to understand why it may be important for us to meet. You have your choice of many fine cardiologists and medical specialists in LA, but I think in just a few minutes I can explain to you what the Hmadyoon method is and why it's at the heart of the best cardiovascular diagnosis and treatment. I don't know what your condition is, or if you even have any condition at all, but I do know that some conditions are hidden, and many conditions are overlooked, then get worse. If there is one word that best describes the Hmadyoon method, it's complete. You see, many cardiovascular exams evaluate your heart and arteries, and of course they should, but there is a third important part of a healthy cardiovascular system. For reasons only they can describe, other doctors prefer to ignore it. But I can't look the other way. I'm convinced your veins are the vital missing link to your complete cardiovascular care. I believe there's overwhelming evidence that venous system is key to keeping you well. And my fear is, by overlooking your veins, your condition may worsen. The Hmadyoon method is both simple and complex. Sure, there is a lot of sophisticated science, and we have many of the top scientists in the field on board. But what's important for you to understand is why it's different. I'll tell you, this method is not about any one test or diagnostic miracle cure. It's about offering you a fuller evaluation, one that targets both your short-term and your long-term health. It's about looking for problems before they may appear, so you can avoid potentially devastating consequences later. It's that ounce of prevention we learned about as kids. You don't have to be a doctor or a scientist to stand watch over your cardiovascular well-being. You just have to ask the right questions. You just have to demand the right answers. And you must find someone who cares enough to look where the others won't. That's my promise to you. If it's there, together we'll find it. And together we'll manage it. Make an appointment now, please.